Neon was discovered in 1898 by the British chemist Sir William Ramsay and Maurice Traveller in London. Neon was discovered when Ramsay chilled a sample of air until it became a liquid, then warmed the liquid and captured the gases as they boiled off. The gases nitrogen, oxygen and argon had been identified, but the remaining gases were isolated in roughly their order of abundance. In a 6-week period beginning at the end of May 1898, first to be identified was krypton. After krypton had been removed was the gas which gave a brilliant red light under spectroscopic discharge. This gas identified in June and named as neon. In December 1910, Claude demonstrated modern neon lighting based on sealed tube of neon. Claude tried briefly to sell neon tubes for indoor domestic lighting due to their intensity, but the market failed because homeowners objected to the color. In 1912, Claude's associated began selling neon discharge tubes as eye-catching advertising sign and was instantly more successful. Neon tubes were introduced to US in 1923 with 2 large neon signs bought by Los Angeles Parkhead car dealership. The glow and arresting red color made neon advertising completely different from the competition. The intense color and vibrancy of neon equated with American society at that time, suggesting a century of process and transforming cities into substantial new environments filled with radiating advertisements and electrographic architecture. Neon is the second lightest noble gas after helium. It glows reddish orange in vacuum discharge tube. Also, neon has the narrowest liquid range of any element, from 248.45 degrees Celsius to 245.95 degrees Celsius. It has over 40 times the refrigerating capacity of liquid helium and 3 times that of liquid hydrogen. In most applications, it is less expensive refrigerant than helium. Although tube lights with other colors are often called neon, they use different noble gases or varied colors of fluorescent lighting. Neon is used in vacuum tubes, high voltage indicators, lightning arresters, wave meter tubes, television tubes, and helium neon lasers. Liquefied neon is commercially used as a cryogenic refrigerant in applications not requiring the lower temperature range attainable with more extreme liquid helium refrigeration. Neon, as liquid or as a gas, is relatively expensive. For small quantities, the price of liquid neon can be more than 55 times that of liquid helium. Driving neon's expense is rarity of neon, which, unlike helium, can only be obtained from air. The triple point temperature of neon, 24.5561 Kelvin, is a defining fixed point in the International Temperature Scale of 1990.